Kashlam I Jinghikai ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM kabla penyaja ka de Kirishimet kabadon hakndai mile Riboy district kalakinjo Sundan Yaladi Shakakardan Jong A grade ka National Assessment and Accreditation Council ne ka NAAC kane kashlam I Jinghikai kadai ka brangshu sengya ka prasne munchwa henre da jing trashitom jongi bor penyat benta kalakinjo shakati ka kardan ka jingki koran ke USTM kalawan hadin pa ya ki kot kisla pat jabro ki jingdon kam jong kane keslam a jinghikai lalum bat juribnya yaka daga standing committee jong ka NAAC ne kanak kabla long hakalai trik menta ubnai pat ya ka kerdan juk A grade ba ka USTM kan bat menta kan long naga menta ki sans nem ki banwan nakliang u chancellor jong ka USTM ha ka baning kong ya upan pau yi jing sngongu ya ka sarkar Meghalaya kabla yaidon shalindat ban kershan borba bad ya ka jingya lenti jong ka ni ka slem ai jing hikai ha ka jokopor ai kublei ya boro ki belong shisha kum ka longyeng kolong sem ha utnom utundai jong ka USTM khamtam lele ye ki samla puli bad ki kmi ki pa jong ki kana Kawai kamat kabla kampen chon jingmut pa ya ki khot jong kanak kadai ba ki lapat chem ya kabuat pentrai kam ya kata ka payback policy pat ka adoption of village ka ba ki bor penyat kila trai kam jar pa ha kani kaliang kaban kampen sa nam ya uni mau mer jong jing yo ya kani ka kadan ya kani ka slam a jing hikai ka long ba ka dei ka slam a jing hikai ban ningkong balasang di ki rushimet ban bat ya kani ka kadan jong ka grade A ha kanak Hakabayday barkani u menteri rangba kejelau konrad ke sangma lawan chakmat pan ai kublai bat yaki kintin ketbok yaki nong penya ke USTM halo ke jingyo ke jongki yakni ke kerdan par ke jing ai kublai nakleng u konrad ke letu chaki professor ki officer ki nong trei ki khot nong penya ki samla puli ki badai neki ba pelong yakni ke slam ai jing hikai ban kenjo ya ke kerdan grade A ha ke NAAC
Firstly, I am very grateful to the state of Meghalaya because this university has been established here with the cooperation and especially the people of the locality who are always encouraging and supporting us and giving their all kinds of support, moral support, and till date there is no complaint from the local people. I am very grateful to the district administration, Riboy district, and the people, and especially the entire team of government of Meghalaya. And I am very grateful to the officers of the state of Meghalaya, the education officers and other departments. They always, with lots of compromise, they extend all kind of support to these institutions, and therefore our university is growing up nicely. So my message to the students of Meghalaya and parents of Meghalaya that now you have a good institution in your state, so you need not spend unnecessarily money sending your children outside the state. So please come forward. Help us, support us so that we can create a global destination here so that tomorrow we can feel proud that Meghalaya University, that University of Science and Technology Meghalaya is situated in the state of Meghalaya and the global community is staying here, studying here, making their career and then spreading in the whole world. In research, if we are getting the good marks in research, which is a major part in the assessment, out of 1000 marks, 250 marks belonging to only research. And into 250 marks, we got only 100 marks. So we are still 150 less. In other criteria, infrastructure, academic, all kind of activities, we got nearly 90% marks. So we have to only score good marks in research. So if it is happening by next 5 years, certainly it will be a A++ university. Our university got A grade from the NEC. Yesterday we got this message. Based on the 5 years assessment of our performance in academic and research by University of Science and Technology Meghalaya. NEC is a national authority under the University Grant Commission, that is National Assessment and Accreditation Council, which usually gives the grading to the institution based on the quality education and infrastructure. So we have applied before pandemic in the year 2020. So usually it happens all kind of inspection within 3 months, but it was not happened because of pandemic. So we are insisting to come and give the grading to our institution. So accordingly they came for 3 days as a big team by 5 members, was led by the Vice Chancellor of Kerala University. and they visited on 25th and 26th and 27th. 3 days visit was there, and they have assessed. They submitted the report to the NAC, and result came yesterday. It was a very good news, especially for the entire family USTM and also for the state of Meghalaya, because this is first time in the northeastern country, especially that a private university within the 5 years of operation, they got the A grading, even which was not happened with the state and centrally funded institutions. So we feel proud and we are very grateful. The entire family is very grateful to the government of Meghalaya, the peoples of Meghalaya who have shown their love and affection in growing this institution till date, whatever we have done. And also in future, we are very much expecting that the support, various kinds of support we need in terms of no objection certificate, in terms of cooperation in developing roads and everything for this institution. Still we are getting lots of problems in terms of electricity. We have applied to the government of Meghalaya because we have many laboratories and sophisticated instruments which must be working 24/7. So there we have this problem. So I think these are the challenges we have to overcome in the coming days, and by 2026 it is our commitment to make this university a A++ grade university. Right now we have A, and by next 5 years we have to make it, because after every 5 years the assessment is done. So we are very much hopeful and dreamer. The entire team of USTM is very much committed that we have a plan, year-wise plan we have, so that we can fulfill, we can transform into action all our plan, and by 2026 we will make the state a state of pride for all the northeastern states, and also the Meghalaya state must be known as a educational destination by 2026 for the country, and by 2030 it must be a global destination. And it is our commitment that by even from the before 2026 we have to see at least the students from 10 international countries in this place. Our one of the objective that we want to nurture the local children, creating a global community. Otherwise our students will not understand what is happening globally, because now it is a global family. So we have to work aggressively, and we need and seek cooperation from all the people, especially from academia and research. And you will be knowing, I will be happy to know that we have many scientists from all over the country. They are expecting, they are desired to join with us, because only area now we have to focus, it is only research. If we are doing very good research, our university will be achieving very easily A++ A grade.